This game is called Towers of 10. You need 2 players. Player 1, player 2. You need a tens frame and you need a dice each. Player 1 rolls the dice and it's a 1. So they collect 1 Unifix and place it in a section in the tens frame. Player 2 rolls. It's a 5. So they collect 5 Unifix. And place it in a section in the tens frame. Alternately, you keep doing that until you fill the tens frame. So I have 4, so I collect 4 Unifix and place it in another section. 1, 6. 2, 6, 4, and 5. So once the tens frame is complete, it looks a bit like a set of skyscrapers. So if the children are very young, you can be thinking about which is the tallest tower and which is the shortest tower. And children might place these in order and think about which towers are equal in size and those that are taller or shorter. But for this game, we're going to take each of our 10 individual towers and join them to make one tall tower. And this is where it's helpful for there to be 2 of you to help to balance and make sure that the tower doesn't collapse. You could equally call it a snake if you want to lie it down. And then the next question is, how many Unifix comprise this one tall tower? So we'll just put it like that so we can see the whole tower. Okay, so obviously across the classroom, each pair will have their own individual big tower. So how many Unifix are in this tower?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So
we have 35. In our first tower we have 35. And then what you might discuss with the children is the different ways in which we've counted. So we've counted there in 1s. Some of the children might count in 2s. 2, 4, 6. Whatever happens, the next stage is to ask the children to separate their big tower into towers of 10 and leftovers. So if you could divide that into towers of 10. How many towers of 10 do we have?
So 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1 tower. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2 towers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 more on the end for 10. 3 towers, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over.
So you as a teacher might record that on the whiteboard as towers of 10. We have 3 towers of 10 and we have 5 1s. You might then collect other children's towers. So one group might say that they have 42 Unifix in their tall tower, and when they split it into smaller towers of 10 and leftover, they'll end up with 4 towers of 10 and 2 leftover. And so they might begin to notice a pattern. And then you can ask questions like, if there were 63 in your tall tower, how many towers of 10 would that be and how many left over? Or equally, if I have 7 towers of 10 and 2 left over, how many would that be in total in my tower? And then we can compare and explore the idea that this number gives us an indication of how many tens, and this number, this digit, gives us an indication of how many ones. And you can use this to explore how 10 ones make 1 10 with Year 1 or Year 2 children.